Hello, my name is Alex. I'm computer programmer and network security engineer. In this tutorial, I intend to thoroughly explore the process of copying file in Linux. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, how to copy file and directory in Linux. The key tool for this task is the cp command. First of all, hold down Ctrl-Alt-T to open your terminal. And now we want copy between two files in Linux. If cp command contain two file name, it copy the content of the first file to the second file. If second file doesn't exist, it is create and the content is copied into it. However, it is overridden without warning. Okay, at first we go to this directory, cd desktop ls and cpa.txt b.txt. With this command, whatever is in the first file will be copied into the second file, and then enter key. Now you can see in the b.txt everything from the first file has been copied into the second file. Okay, now I want copy file to a directory in Linux. Currently, I have two files and I want to create a new directory called new and copy the files I have into it. Now for this, I first need to create the new directory and then run the copy command for it. Okay, and Ctrl mkdir new, then type enter. Okay, and then cpa.text b.text new, then press enter key. Now you can see that with the command I wrote all the file I have been copied into my new directory along with all their content. Open this and you can see a.text, b.text, and the content you can see copied. Now if we want to copy the content of one directory in another directory, we just need to do this. Well, for this we first need to know the address of the second directory, or if it doesn't exist, we should create in first. After that, we can copy the directory and its file into our new directory. Well, now I'm going to create my second directory as I mentioned, and then I'll copy everything from the new directory along with the new directory itself into my new directory. Okay, mkdir other, it's new directory, and then command, type this command, cp space dash r new to new directory. Other now is new directory. Then type enter. Okay, you can see new directories here, and you can see that all the file inside it have also been copied along with their content. Now I want to completely delete the content of the file B. Why? To demonstrate a specific command in Linux for copying. Okay, and close this, open this, and delete this, save, and okay. I stand for interactive copying. With this option, the system first warns the user before overriding the destination file. CP prompt for response. If you press Y, then it overrides the file, and with any other option, leave it uncopied. Now look at what we are going to do. cp space I a.text to b.txt and then press enter. As you can see, for copying and writing the content of first file to the first into the second file, it's asked for our permission. Now we need to give it permission. You can either press Y or type yes, then click enter, and you can see copy all the content of the first file are in the second file. Okay, open this. Now let's think about this scenario. If a system is unable to open destination file for writing operation because the user doesn't have a writing permission for this file, what should we do when write access is not granted to the user for copying a file that only has read access? For this file, by using copy cp or cp space -f option, destination file is deleted first, and then copying the content is done from source to destination file. Alright, for this I'll delete the content of file B again, and this time I'll change the permission of file B read only using the command you will see in the terminal. Then with the command I'll mention, I'll perform the copy operation without being restricted by the permission applied to file B. Alright, first I'll delete the content of file B, and then with this command I'll make file B read only for other user. Open it and delete, save. Okay, this command chmod space R space -w space file name b.txt, then press enter. Okay, as you can see, a lock icon appear on the file, meaning this file can only be read. Now we want to remove this restriction with a command so that we can both copy the file which is read-only and write its content into another file. And look at this. cp -f a.txt to b.txt, and then press enter. As you can see, we've removed the restriction on file B, and we've copied the content of our first file into a file that was read-only, meaning it couldn't be right, but we still wrote into it. Look this.